Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will show you how you can create your PayPal fees checker website, a tool website using ChatGPT. So if you are new in my channel, first you subscribe now and create a new ChatGPT account if you don't have a ChatGPT account. So first I can go to my ChatGPT account and write a promote, create a PayPal fees checker website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So I can sure ChatGPT provide me my HTML code, my CSS code and my JavaScript code. So you can see now I can go to my text editor and create a file format and create a index.html, style.css and script.js file, and I can go now and copy my HTML code, input now, save now. Next I can copy my CSS code, copy now and input here and save now, and copy my JS code, copy and save now, input now, and I can go to my local host and refresh now, and you can see PayPal gas fees checker, PayPal fees checker website right now. Enter your item price, for example I 100 USD, so I can 100, select your currency USD, euro, JBP and CAD. So I can select USD and calculate fees. PayPal fees for this item is 3.20 USD, and if I choose euro, so I calculate 3.85 euro, and I change JBP, so 3.70 JBP, and I can CAD, so 3.20 CAD. So you can calculate any item PayPal fees. So if you sell any or products and service, so you can check now and create this type of website, and you can create now and publish now. So thanks for watching this video, and if you are new in my channel, first you subscribe now.